wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, my hair looks crazy. It won't by the end of this video. Y'all remember when Nini's wig was standing up? I'll insert a little clip there. That's what it's given. But as you can see by the title, today we are going back to the OGs. I'm talking like the 7 brands people talked about when beauty YouTube started, however many years, 15, I don't know, something, however many years ago. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to do MAC or Nars. As you can see by the title, I went on Nars. But let me know if you want me to actually do MAC, because I wanted to go back and play in some MAC makeup. So let's just jump into it. We're gonna go back to some old Nars favorites. Some I'm not even sure if I actually like talked about it like that. But if you want to know what I'm talking about, let's go. Primer, baby. First of all, hold on. So I uploaded that. Oh, that's a little too much. When I uploaded that video the other day on like my current base routine, I was getting a lot of comments about using brushes to blend out my primer, and like people asking why and like what's the science behind it. There really is none. I've mentioned this before, like somewhat. I just kind of have like a sensory issue type thing, like the way things feel to me, like, you know, it'll disturb my mood if it doesn't feel right. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. So that's why I use a brush to blend out my primer. I just don't like the way touching it actually makes me feel. Like if I could apply skincare with brushes or like not my hands, I would do that too. I just don't like how stuff feels. Okay, now foundation, I don't know which one to use. Sheer Glow is my absolute favorite Nars foundation they've ever come out with, but Soft Matte is probably the best for my oily skin girlies. I have the light reflecting one. It's kind of giving what would happen if I put them all on. But the last time I started mixing a whole bunch of foundations, I have sensitive skin, baby. When I tell you my face, y'all remember it was a trend, like mix every foundation that you have together to see like what it would look like on your face. I think after that moment is when I decided that I was going to start wearing less foundation, when I started going more for the natural finish look on my face after that, because I don't think my skin was ever the same after that. But I could probably mix these two. I kind of want to mix in the light reflecting one to see what it would give. I don't think that would be too much for my skin. I don't think so. Nah, I'm gonna just mix these two. I'm gonna just keep my team brief. Okay, that's one foundation. And it's always when I'm filming too. Okay. And the other one. Okay, let's see what finish she's going to give. Okay, wait a minute. Might see some, of course, Radiant concealer, which this was always just an okay concealer to me. Everyone swore that this was like the best thing since sliced bread, like you just had to have this concealer. I don't purchase this thing like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times, because I'm like, it must be me. Like, it's got to be me that this just to me is not giving the best thing I've ever had. You see I still have it, but you know, she cute. Now watch, it's gonna do what it needs to do today because I'm wearing it with other Nars products. Nars is one of those brands, they make their products to go really well with their other products that you end up having to buy their other products. They're like, other brands, I don't know about that. But if you want the best thing since sliced bread, go ahead and buy our entire collection.
Nars bronzer in Laguna 05. Now, mind you, I only have a mini of it. I'm actually surprised that I still have it. But y'all remember Orgasm? The Nars blush Orgasm? Also, y'all remember, I know I'm not the only person that remembers, there was that time in like the beauty world where brands, like, you know how unicorn highlight was a trend? Y'all remember when like naming products and creating products were just had a real sexual tone to it? Like they were coming out with products in the shape of genitals and naming products. Just, I think there was a brand, like specifically their brand was made to like make weirdly offensive name type products. That was weird. But Nars has always been one of those brands that had very interesting names for their products. I'm supposed to do a twist out, but I don't want to. So I've literally just been putting water back in my hair to weigh it down a little bit and calling it a day. You already know how I stand on the whole doing your own hair thing. But that's not the point. So face, skin. I feel like Nars is the brand that you go to if you are looking for a good complexion. Now this is, I guess this would be considered soft matte, since I mixed Nars Sheer Glow and soft matte, so that's where the matte is coming. If you want to take soft matte away and you just go with Sheer Glow, it would give a little bit more skin-ish, but since I mixed in soft matte, that's why you see it's a little more matte-ish. But especially because I have no lashes on today, like none of that, and kept the gloss real simple, just like, you know, clear-ish. It's got a little nude undertone to it. Gloss, this could give very much so, you know, I woke up like this, you know, but people confused for like, you know, when you got like a full face on, you done did foundation, all of that, and because it looks like so skin-like, people are like, see, that's the type of no makeup that we like. But it's literally a full face. It's literally a full face of makeup. They be thinking that no makeup is like tinted moisturizer. Just put on some tinted moisturizer. Okay, that's the type of, when we say we want you to wear makeup, that's how it's supposed to. It's a full face of makeup. It's just a natural full face of makeup. Nars is the brand that you would go to for that. That's why, you know, like so many professional makeup artists use it for like weddings, maternity shoots, proms, stuff like that, because one thing about it, Nars has complexion locked. You see, I didn't use like eyeshadow or really lip products or anything like that because I'm not the biggest fan of Nars when it comes to that, but complexion, they got you there. All right, y'all, so that is it for me and my Sideshow Bob hair on going back to Nars Cosmetics. And that's a takeaway for today's video, that if you are looking for a brand that is going to give you complexion, go to Nars. Yes, like I said, let me know if you would like to see a let's go back to MAC Cosmetics. Now, I would probably use the newest foundation that I tried from them, but you know, if you want to take it back, I could use Pro Longwear. So let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.